Hi, my name is Rich, and today we're making one of my favorite treats, strawberry mango smoothies. Now, this is just a great thing if you want for breakfast or if you want a snack in the afternoon, and what I love about it, it is so easy. It's only 4 ingredients. First, you got some fresh OJ, in that goes. Then we have no-fat yogurt, you can see right here. And now comes the best part. We have some fresh mango, which I diced up a little earlier. And we have frozen strawberries. Now what I like about frozen fruit is that it makes it a little cooler and it adds a little like body and base to it, just really, really nice. And if you don't like strawberries, you can always use bananas or any other frozen fruit for that matter. So there we go, in a little whirl. Done, couldn't be any simpler. And what's great about this is you can drink it right now or you can take it to go, whatever you want. So here we are. Strawberry mango smoothie.